For all of your full year courses, you're going to have to go in and make sure that the trimesters are weighted properly. Last year we kind of fooled around and we set it so that trimester 3 did not count as much as trimester 1 and 2 because of the disruption in our teaching. So you will all have to change, and also because any full year course is required to have either the final exam or a final project in that final exam column. I wish I could change the wording. I can do it for next year, but it's too late this year to change that final exam column to say exam or project, but that's really where it has to go. But as per the instructions we just got, it's up to you how much you want that to weigh for your class. So here's how you do that. You guys probably all know about how to weight the actual categories, and that would be under weighting, but we're going to move over here to averages, and this is what we're doing. So this is where the trimesters are, and the final exam or project would be here. Now if your grade books are like mine, if you used it last year, it probably says 40, 40, 20. So the easiest way to do this is have these 4 columns add up to 100. However, it is relational, and for instance, although we can't do it, we can't make it 25%, if you were going to make it the exam 25%, which is what we used to do, you could just have a number 1 in each one of these columns, and that would mean that this exam is the same weight as any of these others, and that would make it be 25%. But for non-mathematical people, it's really easier just to have it all add up to 100. You can use decimal places if you need to, based on how you split it up. But for what I'm doing, I want my final project to count for 10% of the grade. So I'm going to just put in 30, 30, 30, 10, and that adds up to 100. So that's how I'm going to do it for my course. You have to do it for every single course that is a year-long course. For trimester courses, any projects that you have will not end up in this final exam column. You have to put that actually as a column in your regular grade, a regular grading column. So if you have a trimester course, do not put anything in the final exam column. So then I'm going to save it. And then actually to put in your exam grade, so if you normally are in your name and average view, which is what most people are in, so if you're in your name and average view, to put in the grades for your final exam or project, then you do have to go into this report card view, and this is where you would enter your grade. Oh no, I lied. Here it says click here too. So if you click there, you have to give it, you have to let's see, unlock, okay. You'd have to put in whatever the points are for your, which doesn't matter because it's its own grade. Okay, so then if I put it in as 100, now I can put my grades in for whatever, you know, numeric grade here for the final exam or project. And after that, remember, once you've got everything in here, you're going to click that calculate button. It's incredibly important in each of your grade books. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. I'm happy to help anytime.